Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to display the keystrokes on Microsoft Windows operating system. So it could be 7, 8, 8.1 and Microsoft Windows 10 as well. So this package is open source. You can get it from this web address or the GitHub web page, and you can download it from here and install it. However, I'm going to use Chocolatey installer, so basically Choco package manager, to install this cornac. So this the software name cornac, which you can find from this repo. I will leave in the description below, and I'm going to show you how you can install it with Choco. So I'm going to launch CMD, the command prompt. You can use PowerShell or command prompt on your system. So once you have your command prompt running with admin rights, now you can go ahead and install Chocolatey if you haven't. So go to chocolatey.org, hit install now, and follow the instruction to install Chocolatey. So it's very simple instruction. You go ahead and run this command first. If you get this output, go ahead and run this command till here, and finally you have to copy this one and run it in your PowerShell. Okay, so I assume that you already have Chocolatey installed. Let's go ahead and install this cornac. Cornac, that's the name of the software. Simply say Choco install cornac, and that is going to take care of installation of this cornac software on our system. So here we go. Do you want to run the script? Simply say type uppercase A, and this is going to take care of everything. So let it download it and install it. Progress downloading cornac. It did not take a bit. So now you can see downloading here. And okay, so 60%, 100% completed. You can see download completed, hashes match. Now it will go ahead and install it on the system, and okay, we will be able to display the keystroke in a moment on this desktop. Okay, so cornac has been installed. You can see it says installing cornac. Cornac has been installed, was successful, and this is where it's been installed. So program data, Chocolatey lib. Okay, now here is a cornac already running, and now you can customize it the way you want. So let's say, so this will be like where you want to display the keystroke. You will have to, so you can see it's doing here right now. It's displaying over there. Now it will do display right there. So you can change this display thing. Oops, I don't know why it's not working properly. So let's go ahead and see it this way. Bottom, I don't see. Oops. So now it's doing here in the center. Okay, perfect. Okay, fine. So you can see now where it's going. Looks like it's on the top. Ooh. Okay, so this is how you can do it. If you do not want this color to be your font color, you can change it from here. You can change the background color. If you do not want to display everything, you just want to display Control, Shift and Alt buttons, you just press that and hit save. Now you have to close it. Make sure you close it. Now whenever I press any button, let's say I want to do Alt X, so it's going to display here. Alright, so that's how you can start displaying keystrokes on your Microsoft Windows operating system. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it ASAP. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.